push it?
Yes, go.
Okay. Imagine you're sitting down to eat with your family. Let's say dinner consists of a grilled chicken breast and some fresh vegetables. Seems pretty harmless, right? What if I told you the store-bought chicken you were getting ready to eat was injected with antibiotics and growth hormones, which makes the chicken yield a bigger breast, sometimes causing it to collapse under its own weight? And those fresh vegetables that look so good were actually embedded with a chemical called glyphosate, a widely used herbicide which has been proven to be harmful to humans. Now, one thing these two have in common is that they both contain genetically modified organisms. Most of us have never questioned our food safety standards in the US, but now with over 70 countries restricting GMOs, 36 countries banning GMOs, and with over 70% of the products we buy in the supermarket containing GMOs, I think it's time to take a hard look at this issue and start questioning it. As a wife and a mother, I am concerned with how GMO affects me and my family, and I would like to see them banned for good. Today, I will be discussing what GMOs are, what the health risks associated with GMOs are, and what steps we can take to make sure we buy GMO-free food. First off, what exactly is a GMO? According to the website non-GMOproject.org, a GMO, or genetically modified organism, is a plant, animal, microorganism, or organism whose genetic makeup has been modified in a laboratory using genetic engineering or transgenic technology. Now, this creates combinations of plant, animal, bacterial, and viral genes that do not occur in nature or through traditional crossbreeding methods. Most GMOs have been engineered to withstand the direct application of herbicide and insecticide. They also artificially develop these traits in plants, such as apples, that are resistant to browning, and create new organisms using synthetic biology. So now that you know what GMOs are, we will now take a look at the health risks involved with GMOs. According to an article done by Harvard University, Will GMOs Hurt My Body? GMOs have shown to be unhealthy and have several side effects that are dangerous to our bodies, including obesity. Americans eat more foods than any other country in the world, and the US also has the highest obesity rate. There's a high correlation between high consumption of GMO foods and obesity. Both are linked because GMO ingredients, most of the GMO ingredients, are found in junk food. These data correlations between diseases of the organs and the increase in GMOs in the food supply, and the studies have also found that they are linked to cancer and neurological disorders. These neurological disorders include bipolar, attention deficit hyperactive disorder, Alzheimer's, schizophrenia, and autism, to name a few. The most susceptible to these diseases are elderly and children. We have now looked into what GMOs are, the potential health effects surrounding GMOs. Lastly, I will talk about what steps you can take to make sure you buy GMO-free products. The website mnn.com, or Mother Nature Network as it's called, gives us some tips that we can use to help protect ourselves and our families from future health risks. So first, buy organically grown food and produce. You can also have your own garden. Avoid processed foods whenever possible, and be aware that anything containing soy or corn will most likely be GMO products. And also remember that USDA organic and the non-GMO project verified means GMO free. Also, speak up and spread the word. You will be shocked by how many people have never heard of GMOs. So now today we have discussed what GMOs are, looked at the health problems associated with GMOs, and the steps that you can take to protect yourself and your family from GMOs. So the next time you sit down for your next meal, make sure that you know what you and your family are eating. By taking this information into consideration, you may be preventing future health problems from occurring. So thank you for taking your time to watch this video and listening.